Okay, we are here. So first section, we will put a slider with 2 or 3 slides, image or video animation. We can add it. Uh, are you hearing me?
Yes, yes, now I'm hearing.
Okay. And then this section, we will put like this way. Half and half.
Okay.
We will add the missions here, and
Okay.
below this part we have a button like about us. Same here.
Okay.
We can add a about us. Write something like hot we can hear,
Okay.
and
Okay.
below that we can add a button to contact us. So once we
Okay.
click on
Okay.
that button, contact us will become up. Okay.
Okay, fine.
So these two section is clear now. Then next
Okay.
section, we can go on through about why study with us and join our
Hmm.
live classes. So
Right.
we will add a section like slider would be similar like this, or more premium like this. This is a free slider from Slider Revolution. We can add a premium slider for you, which will be more attractive and
Okay.
efficient.
Okay, fine.
And here we will add a section for why study with us. It would be a complete section. There will have a background
Okay.
image and some text.
Okay.
Then we'll add a section like join our live classes, and also a button
Okay.
where people can click actually, and after clicking they will land to the course page or live classes
Okay.
page.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Then we can add a article section like here.
Right.
Article section like here. Article would be here, or yeah, we can keep this section like a live presentation. We can add it here, and this button also we can use here for
Navigating to articles page.
yes. It will land to the article page, or also we can
Right.
add a button for buy courses. So once the people
Okay.
click on that buy courses button, uh, they will go through the all course page. They will have all the courses for us.
Correct, correct,
Okay. So
correct. But that buy courses will be below that. It will
yes,
not, both will not be on the same thing. First articles will come,
articles,
then buy
buy
courses will
courses.
come.
Okay. Uh,
Yes, correct,
okay.
correct.
Article course, article section. Then below that we can add a buy courses section. There will have
Buy courses.
some text as
Correct.
images, and below that we can add a button like this to buy now or buy courses.
Right.
And would you like to
Correct.
keep this
Correct, correct.
keep this block here?
Latest news.
Yes. Latest news means blog. If you
So
if you write
how
something,
all this will come?
uh, if you click on a blog, it will come up a blog. I will show you how to create a blog inside the WordPress dashboard, and you can share some thoughts or
Okay.
a recap of the courses, so people will be updated. For it would be a free section, so they will have some quality about the
So
courses.
isn't it same as an article?
Yeah, it is a
Acha, about the book.
it's something like an article,
Okay, okay,
blog post. Okay,
okay.
so
Means we are giving information about different courses here.
yeah, different courses or any updates, any news. So if you would like to share, we can add it. It's a effective section.
We can put it here.
Okay, we can keep it here. And
Actually, in PPT also there is a miscellaneous section. I think that is same thing.
which one?
PPT. Go to PPT. PowerPoint. That PDF file.
Yes.
So this study related miscellaneous information. This is the same thing.
Study.
College profiles means there are
Yes.
various colleges. We'll put profiles of colleges about various courses. Is the same thing.
Okay, so we can keep this as information there, and a student parent testimonial. Yeah,
Yes.
it already been implemented. Which one is it? This section.
Yes, it is there.
Okay. Then this section is also
Right.
perfect. Like we can add this one, like a featured course. If you have some valuable courses that have some
Okay.
updates and presentation video, and for that course you can add some texts and buy course button. If someone click on that button, this course come up, and you can put that course uh, for home page. Sometime we can change it for another courses, or we can remove it. I think it is a effective section. What do you think?
Okay. Okay. But courses section we are having separate courses
Yes.
section is there, separate live section is there.
Yes.
Then what will come here then?
uh, okay, if you don't like this section, we can remove it, no issue. We can
Okay.
okay. I'm going.
Because otherwise there will be confusion because there is separate live classes, there is separate courses.
Okay, okay, I got it. Then student parent testimonial already there. Faculty
Right.
profile. We can faculty profile. Okay. So what we can do here? This section already here, like this join us talent section, submit your resume.
So
We can change this here.
yes, join today is fine. And faculty profile means people who have already joined.
Okay.
So faculty profile means people who are teaching in the live classes. And join us means कि person is not joined but he want to submit his resume for future use.
Okay. So
That is difference.
yeah, both are different, and uh, we can keep different these two section. Would you like to have like this structure for those sections?
हाँ, see, design wise whatever you find right which looks good you can add it like that.
Okay. And then the subscription from someone, if someone wants to join with our community, they can subscribe and will get some email notification once we
Okay.
upload a latest news. They will get the email in their if they subscribe.
So now for this what I have put the requirement is what kind of subscription will go? Will articles will go or any updation in website will go? What will go here?
It's depend on us. So if we set it, if a new course uploaded, we can actually this means we will get the email, then we can use
Right.
it in our way, whatever we want.
Right.
There have
Right. But what will go to the person?
inside the WordPress have Mailchimp functionality, so we can use it. We can up to date our customers who already joined. If a blog post come up, we can notify them that a new blog post on our website, and if a new courses comes to our website, we can add it. We can notify them for the courses.
Okay. So for
Manual.
this what requirement I have mentioned is कि a person should get notification only for things related to him.
Right.
Like class 10 student should receive notification already related to class 10. 12 student should receive only for 12. Computer student should receive only for computer.
Yes, but for
So
this we have to do it manually from Mailchimp. We can then we can add from here, like who are interested about their things.
Yes. So when a person is subscribing, he should tick mark कि yes, I am related to this section, this class, this is
Right.
my interest.
Right. Then we have to add some field here,
Yes.
like his name and what are he interested about. So we can. Okay, I will design this like that way.
Yes.
So and the subscribe, they will keep up to date. Okay. And
Right.
this footer section we didn't work it yet. This would be a perfect footer section here.
Okay.
With some information, contact information, locations. We
Okay.
can add also
Okay.
Google Map here.
Okay.
And the linking about your social medias.
Okay.
Logo here, some text about your company.
Okay.
it will be a perfect section. Didn't work it yet,
Okay.
and this section will be available
Okay.
all the pages for the website.
Okay. But in PPT, or more pages are there in
Okay.
that PDF file.
Okay.
There are more pages. So on next page, scroll down.
I'm just talking about the home page. It is complete. So if
No, home page. Another slide is there. Home page.
okay,
Get
sorry.
scroll down. Student section.
Student section. This takes to their
Yes.
login page, live classes, courses, others. Student section. Would you
Yes.
like to add inside here or the button menu here?
Acha, this is what you are saying. Okay, okay. Just go back to that. The requirement I have given. Let me see. Live classes, courses, and others. Okay, so you are telling ki only it will be in menu. No, in menu it will be there, but below it also we will put it
On home page.
on home page.
Student section.
So no one needs to go to menu. If someone is scrolling down, he can go directly from here also.
Okay. There will have a section for login, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So some small write up and one picture will be there,
Okay.
and one button will be there. Button will take them to their student section.
Okay, I got it. I get it. Means that where is it? Means that here will have some section like this, and there
Yes,
will have
similar to this.
like
Similar to this.
login.
Yes, correct,
Someone
correct.
click on here, they will take on to their dashboard. Login,
Correct.
like this function.
Correct, correct.
Like this
Same
function
thing.
here.
Correct, correct,
They
correct.
will take to the login, and they will have their dashboard after login,
Yes,
and they will get the live classes and whatever you write here,
correct, 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 correct.
live classes, courses, and other things like we.
Similarly for live class faculty section also, and similarly for instructors also.
Yeah, it's available uh, on WordPress. They have more functions like live classes with Zoom integration or
Hmm.
Google Meet, and courses, assignment,
Hmm.
and
Mhm.
some other things, question and answer. A lot of functionality we can put in their student dashboard if we.
Right, right. So this others I have this 2-3 things I have put only for idea. Whatever functionality will be, that will come in dashboard.
Right, right, right. Then live class faculty section.
Same thing,
Okay.
similar thing. Like you have made student section, similarly you can make it for this.
Yes, instructor. I can
Same thing.
I can show you like my dashboard here. Once they log in to the website, they will land the dashboard. This is a testing server. We already migrate the website to the main server. We can
Okay.
browse it there. Okay, no issue.
Okay.
See,
Okay.
see the dashboard, student dashboard. Will
Just
be,
hold for just hold for 2 minutes.
Sure. Where here? So, if someone log in from the home page by clicking on login button, they will
Okay.
land to the course. This is actually an instructor dashboard where have their courses, active courses, complete courses, and total earnings also, total courses, total student. They'll have preview, a lot of option here for
Okay.
instructor. This is
So what do you mean by instructor?
instructor means the teacher of that course.
Teacher of that course who can upload his course.
Right. They can upload it, the courses from by clicking at add new courses.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
This is actually one of my Fiverr clients. He puts this amount for the project.
Okay.
Okay. So we are here. So this section will be there on the home
Right.
page. And what are the things? Student search section where they can search offline teachers. Yeah, this function what you mentioned earlier. So
Yes, and super prof.
yes, super pro. Yeah, I have that website. Super prof. So they can search the offline teacher by
Right.
like that function here.
Right. Right.
So
They will choose a subject.
Would you like to put it on the below part of the home section or front part of the section?
On part of?
Like below part of the home section or top part of the?
No, on home section there will just be a link.
Okay.
One picture, small write-up, and then link. When the person clicks on that, then he will be
Land to
taken to a different page.
Right. Got it. Okay. So okay, we'll do this also.
Okay.
Then sitemap and search. Okay.
This is not home page. You can put wherever it is made on all the websites. You can put it there.
Okay. Sitemap and search would be available on the footer, where
Okay.
where have this section already,
Yes.
like here.
Okay. That's okay.
Okay. Then copyright and privacy and terms. These all pages will be linking here, somewhere here, like important link or pages. So they will able to click here, and the page will come up to the different
Okay.
tab. Okay.
Okay.
So also there have some copyright and
Okay.
the institute name. So we'll change it to your name after completing. Content is not a matter. We can change any time the content.
Okay,
So
fine.
it's complete. So these
Great.
things would be complete. Okay. Then what? Login. Login to be
Right.
structure, student, faculty, instructor, admin.
So student means student, so you know. Faculty means faculty of live classes.
Okay.
Okay.
They will have
An
the
instructor.
different section, different dashboard for the faculty.
Yes, they will have different dashboard because they will access study material for teaching.
Like live classes.
They can take attendance. They will access live classes.
Like a university.
All those things.
Like a university function. So we can add a dashboard for this faculty, and they will have all
Yes.
all the functionality like attendance or all the things like classes, resources.
Study material.
Study
They can
materials.
upload their study material also
Right.
here.
Right. They can submit
An
their assignment.
instructor. Correct. An instructor is the person who is selling courses. They
Right.
are not teaching live classes.
Only selling.
They are selling their courses
by uploading courses, record video.
by uploading courses. Yes.
Okay.
So instructors are of two types. One is who is selling courses, and second is that offline teachers
Okay. Get it.
who only put their profiles.
Okay, so this instructor login who only selling courses, uploading on our website. This instructor.
So you go down instructor. Also, you will find two types of instructor. Go down.
Okay, I'm just clearing. Admin means the owner of the website. They will have the dashboard like
Yes.
inside the WordPress dashboard. Also, we can add a sub-admin.
Yes.
They will have some limited access for the
Correct.
maintaining the website.
Correct.
Okay, get it.
Correct.
Login is okay, already developed, but
Okay.
some things are need to
Okay.
adjust.
Okay. That's okay. Fine.
Login to be created.
Now, in student, there are three types of students.
Okay, of live online classes. Yeah, they will have a Zoom live classes or a live section. There will have a different dashboard. Oh,
Yes.
of the live classes. Purchase the live classes.
Yes.
They'll
So
a
they will
di-
have different study
different
material.
Right.
They will have past classes, videos.
Right.
They can take test from this.
Okay, get it.
Exams can be given.
Okay, student. This student will have who purchase the courses like upload courses. They will
Yes.
have the different
They
dashboard.
uploaded course. Yes.
And
Yes.
they will get the courses. They can watch the courses. They can review for the courses. They can
Yes,
ask a
yes.
question for the teacher who selling that courses. So
Right.
this student will have different dashboard.
Right.
Other student will only log into the website and seeing some courses, and sometimes they can purchase.
So other students can make their profile on the website.
Yeah.
Then they can post their articles. They can put their comments.
Right. They can.
They can post their questions
Yes. They
like
can,
that.
They can comment. They can post everything. They can.
Right.
Okay.
Hmm.
Login to be created. Instructor. Those who wants to sell the courses. Okay, they will have the different registration process for them, and those who will be
Yes.
teaching offline, so they will have the
Offline.
different
Right.
different dashboard. Sorry, they will
Right.
don't have the different dashboard. They will have only their profile, who can they can
Yes.
actually manually change their profile, add description,
Yes.
add their name and pictures. They can do that
Yes. Yes.
in their
Yes.
dashboard. Okay, so get it.
Right.
This all the things will be okay. Perfect. I get it properly, and all the things uh, will be done very shortly. Like within 2 days,
Okay.
all the
Okay.
functionality would be done. Only need this home
Okay.
page section some more time. Okay. I'm just
Okay. Okay. And just scroll down. Is there anything else also below
example of
instructor?
activity. Example of activities in login
Just
of
for
student.
your illustration, these examples I have given.
Create, edit, delete his profile. Yeah, they can access the online live class study materials. Yes, take online test. Yes, they can. We can add. We can set as exam, quizzes, also
Mhm.
questions. So they can all
Right.
take online exam. Make fees payment and get receipt. They can make payment. Okay, right. So for payment section, we will use WooCommerce, and WooCommerce have this feature for give them the receipt about the payment. It's like
Yes.
invoice. So
Okay.
once they purchase, they will have a PDF to all the details,
Right. Right.
like how much they paid, which
Mhm.
courses for that. Important notification like holiday test schedules. Yes, we'll set it for their email. It will
That is.
we can set it for some notifications. They will get it
Okay.
on their dashboard also. If you wish,
Okay.
we can add it. We can set it to go to their email.
Okay. Okay.
Post article, post question, write comments, write answer. Yes, they can post articles, but it would be we can review that articles and manually approve them, and they can
Okay.
also write comments. They have right. They can answer some comments and reply that comment.
Right.
Access other LMS features. Other LMS features. Uh, what
Is whatever if other features are there, I don't know what all things are there.
Okay. See, here is an admin access.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to the owner of the website, like who have that access for the website.
Okay. Okay.
So he will see the all the things inside the dashboard, like
Okay.
the status of that course or anything
Hmm.
here. So LMS
Okay.
function would be here, like course categories, student, instructor, any
Hmm.
announcement, question and answer, quiz attempts,
Okay.
withdraw request for teachers, add-ons,
Okay.
gradebook, any reports, Zoom integration,
Okay. Okay.
any other tools, enrollment history,
Okay.
Google Classroom,
Okay.
assignment,
Okay.
email, and these things. These
Okay.
all the LMS features you will have it.
Okay. So what all are related to students will come in students login.
Just I'm clicking on the student LMS. They will have the students. Actually, we can
Yes.
see how many students have here,
Hmm.
and we can
Hmm.
check them. We can add them. We can delete them.
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So anything left? Okay. Example of activities in logging of other student. Create credit. Yeah. Post. Teacher lookup search. Yes, they can. Example of activities in logging of faculty online classes. Can update study material. Can take tests. Post article. Yes. Attendance also available. Access other LMS features. Yes. Join live classes, Zoom and meeting integration. Yes. All the things would be done. Example of activities in login of instructors selling courses. Create their profile, upload and update their courses like that way. Post an
Mhm.
article, comment like that way. See their earnings. Already you've seen that.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. Right.
Example of activities in logging of instructor teaching offline. Only they can
Mhm.
create their profile, or they teach and fish about their course details. Okay, get it.
Yes.
So
Now,
these are the
what
things.
I am not clear. See, what I am not clear is the offline teacher section that we are making.
Uh,
Okay.
Not yet. We didn't create the offline teachers. That's
No,
why.
you have not created, but I am just asking you
Okay.
कि the offline teacher section, that super prof functionality that we are making, कि offline teachers can create their login. Now, if student searches some teacher and finds a teacher, then what will happen next?
They can book their. They can actually purchase their courses, or they can contact. Oh, sorry, offline teachers. They only able to contact with them.
Means they can contact those teachers. We will
No,
give phone number or email ID on that.
right.
Is it?
Yeah, we can add our contacts for that courses. Also, uh, just a moment.
No, but
Just a moment.
asking students to directly contact them, I don't think that is the right thing.
Yes, because if we allow the access for directly like this,
Hmm.
they will have their name, their courses,
Hmm.
and the details about their courses and their profile.
Hmm.
So we didn't
Hmm.
add it yet, but instructor section will be like this way. So isn't beautiful it?
No, this is good. What I'm asking is कि if student searches some teacher and finds the teacher, now what will happen next?
Like this.
What he will do with that?
They will have these teachers, and once they contact, we'll add a contact here, like contact teacher or contact
Ah,
us. Then they will click here and have this function for with the for the teachers. It will come up with
so
the
they, but student will cannot contact teacher directly, na?
yeah. We will put our
So what
information here.
we will put our information, so they will contact us.
And
Then,
yes, then we will.
basically, I'm asking for the business process. Means how this type of business will work.
Um, okay. I'm just explaining you that we will list up the teachers here, and
Yes.
there will have a button to contact with us for that teacher. So
Okay.
student
Then okay.
student will be able to contact with us for that teachers, and do whatever you want with that teacher and the student, you can implement.
Okay. Okay. I think I will. I keep this as pending, and I will
Okay.
let you know. Means what should happen here.
Okay, I'm just keeping this
Okay. And
pending.
each teacher should be mapped with the area and subject and class what they are teaching. That is how student will search for a teacher.
Okay, okay, get it. So these are the functionality we actually needing for this project as completed. So anything
Yes.
left right now? So
No, for now I think
if I tell you this is only 4th August, if I complete it within 9 or 8 August, how it will be?
no. You can take your time. Not necessary to complete in 4 days. You can take your time.
But it is actually need 4 days for me if everything I got everything, and definitely I can complete it within 4 days because I have a lot of pending works here.
Okay.
I focus on your project also.
Mhm.
I would like to complete this within 4 days. So
That's because
if anything
once you will
left,
start
yes,
once you will start with, then data to be uploaded. There will be a lot of things.
yes.
Testing is to be done.
Right. So I would like to complete within 4 days. After that, you will have testing. You will have some modification. We'll have some design changes. So we'll need some 2 days extra. So
Okay. Okay.
we'll continue like this way. Okay. So
Okay. Okay.
no issue with the whatever here.
Then there were this PDF that I have given you. It is just for the home page. All the detailed requirements are in Excel file also. Like
Yes.
nobody should be able to download.
Yes.
Nobody should be able to copy it. So there were a lot of things there also. In attendance, if student is attending for more than 50% time, so there were a lot of things in Excel file also.
Okay. It's okay. So we will keep here. No issue with that. order and anything. Once we complete the project, then we'll come here and do rest of the things.
Yes, 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 yes. Payment, you don't worry. Payment I will make you.
Okay, I also don't worry about the payment. I would like to
Huh.
focus on the project.
Yes, yes.
I know that
In what I am telling, in Excel file there were several things mentioned, so you just keep that also in your site.
Okay, sure. So
Okay, and what I requested is this home page show me once in a white background also.
okay, so I was doing that, but actually some reason I can do it yet. But I will show you the premium quality of homepage with the
Okay,
different
okay,
different themes like
okay, okay,
white background and black background.
okay, okay, okay. And these pictures that we are using, can we have pictures of Indian people,
Yeah, sure.
Indian students?
Right, we can have it.
We can have it. Okay, okay. And just for once, can you open that Edumall link that you have sent me earlier? That you have sent me on the Upwork.
Actually, it is prayer time already. Can I just a moment? I'm just showing you.
In that Upwork, you have sent me the link.
Yes, links are here. Maybe this one. Lot of demo here. Okay, no issue with that. I will do the design for
Just
the home pages like
hold on. I'm giving you the link. Just wait.